Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I want to apologize because I would normally like to have this video up by now, but I've been fighting a sinus infection all weekend and I feel kind of okay today, so I want to go ahead on and get this weekly plan out to you. And this is for April the 8th. That's what today is, Monday, April the 8th. And what I'm coming with are some boxes that I created in Excel. I found these two images. I put in Google search spring in Georgia scenes, spring scenes in Georgia. So I found these two images and I'm going to use those. And these are some flowers that was left over from my last spread, so I want to use these because I had to actually go back in and cut these out because it didn't cut, I guess, during the manufacturing or whatever. And I got some quotes that I'm going to use, so let me just go ahead and get this started. I hope I'm going to be in frame for the most part of this. So let's see, was it in here? I want to put something right here, and I'm trying to remember where I saw it. It had dots and colors in it, and oh, there it is. Good. It's in this book right here, Floor Memories. This little dotted section right here, and I'm going to try something new. Well, actually, all of it is new to me, really. I think I'm going to cover up this week. Yeah, I'll cover that up. It's no biggie because I could put something else up there too. You can kind of see through it. And you can probably see this week okay, but I'm not going to worry about that this time. But I've seen people, well, I've seen a couple of spreads where people use scenes to cover up like entire sections. So that's what I'm going to do. I was hoping I could find a scene that was big enough to carry through the whole thing, but these two particular ones will work for me. And I'm going to put these on. Oh, did I? And you know what? I made them too big. You know, I think I was doing them like this. I think I was doing it like that as opposed to the other way. But I'm going to have to use this anyway because I don't have that much ink left. So where is my cutter here? So I'm just going to cut this down enough. About right there. And this is a picture of the North Georgia mountains. Okay. So, yeah, and that's good enough right there. And I'm gonna cut this side off, do this side, and see this side works. Okay, so I just actually did it on one side. I measured it for one side and not the other, not taking into account of the other side. So I'm gonna put these on. And this still is going to be a relatively simple spread, nothing major. I'm not even putting a recipe in this time either, but I'm getting adhesive everywhere. I guess I'll figure out how to get that off in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna want to put that upside down. About right there. Still not the best. And let me see. I got another piece that I just cut out not too long ago that can fit right there, so I don't have to try to remove that adhesive. And if I don't find it in the next few seconds, I'm not going to worry about looking for it. It may pop up. Hopefully it will, and then I can go ahead on and put it in place. Oh, and of course I still have my free downloadable colored boxes here and here that I'm going to be using. And this is an actual before the pen for real. because I don't plan on writing in this yet, because I just really don't have anything going on in my life, really. So let's go ahead and get this piece down. Try not to do the same thing I just did over there. Turn this up this way. There we go. Oh Lord. Okay, well anyway, I must have cut this one wrong, but I'm not going to remove it. I'll just have to get over it right there. I'm not removing it. I'll get over it. It might take me a minute, but I'll be okay. Let me see. Is anything else in particular that I want in any particular areas? Oh, you know what? I want to put this one particular flower in place. And is it in the florals catalog? Oh goodness. Yeah, it is. I want to get that. It's another big flower. I'm really loving those really huge flowers with the sayings, with the quotes. I'm really loving these on my weekends. And this is probably going to be another one too that I don't use washi tape, because I like the thin black lines. Excuse me. Let me see if I can get this in here. There we go. It says, was it choose kindness and laugh often. So that'll be for my weekend. And I have all of these other little things. So let's see. Get some of these boxes in place. Well, let's use some colors. I don't have that many. Just a few other boxes. I'll put some in the middle here. Let's see. No, give me a minute. Let me see if I can find that thing, because this right here is really getting on my nerves. Okay, I thought I was recording, guys. I'm sorry. I did some stuff, and I must need to go back to bed. That's probably what I need to do. But I'm going to put this green box right here. I think that's about straight. And let me see. I got some, I got another purple box right here. And I'm just gonna put the purple box up here. I think it looks almost straight. Then I'm just gonna put flowers. These are the ones that I had left over the rest of the spread. So it won't be anything, you know, earth-shattering. Just flowers everywhere. Just grab some flowers and put them in. Let's see, do I like this one? Yeah, that's fine. I'll actually stick this one right there. Put this purple one in place. This is really cute. I like this purple one. And oh, here's a different one. Let me put this little. I'll put this little different one right here. Just because. Let me see. I got a little small one. I can put in this box right here. Anything else? Well, we can stick a flower to a couple other places. We'll put it in the middle right here. And one more purple one. I'll just sit it right here in the corner. There we go. So I wished I had something to go right here And I had pulled out some ladies. Let me see if I can find one really fast. And it should be one of my leftovers from another spread. If I can find her. Yeah, there she is. And it's great. She's got on pink, and she's from Oso Paper, and she's the baking one or the cooking one. So I'm just going to put her in there to fill the space. And because I like her, so just going to put her in and make her a sticker real quick. Using my Xyron. Okay. Now this powder is just no joke. Not at all. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna put her on here. Oops, did I bend her? Yeah, I did. Hold on. What's up under there? There we go. There we go. Now I think that's cute. Okay, so this is a super simple, super easy one. Hold on, let me grab you guys. Okay, there we go. Let me pull out some. There we go. All right, let me, come on, do I have it? Do I have a good one? Let's see. So make sure you guys can see it. There we go, a little bit better. Okay guys, this is my April the 8th through the 14th spread. I want to thank you guys for taking I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys.